Hey guys, and so today not only did I get a supplier package, but I also got some new Squishies from PuppyPaw24, and we traded, and also I bought some from her, and we didn't make any videos or anything, but yeah, so I'm going to show you what I got. And also, I know that some of these are really expensive. Prices range from $1 to $14 for one Squishy. But just think, because someone on my other video, they commented and they were like, oh my gosh, this is so expensive, but like I need to buy it and then I need to sell it and make profit, so please just don't complain about prices or you will be blocked. So I'm going to start off with the $1 section, and it's kind of sloppy, but yeah. So first, for the $1 stuff that I got, I think these are defected. So first I got this little Snoopy head, and the face is redone, but you can just peel that off and then redo it again if you don't like the face. It was painted on. And then it's the top of this acrylic mini mushroom. And then this is like a Russian character, but it's very defected right here and in the ears. So these are all $1. And I'll put that down below. By the way, keep checking down below. Not all these prices will be very accurate because I might change the prices. Next, we have the $2 ones. $2, and it looks like 6, but it's 2. So first, we have this small steam bum. We have this toast, and this is like really squishy. We have this really cool donut. And then lastly, we have this, and a lot of people wanted this before, this Mickey Mouse. But it was kind of defected because it was like ripping. So it's $2 along with the rest of this. And then, so that's $2. And then we go from $2 to $4. Yeah, that's a 4. So we have this. This is from the Ikiru and Friends. This is Hoppy the Frog. I'm sorry. It has like a lot of rips and stuff. And on the back also. Yeah, you can see that. But it's really squishy. So yeah, leave that. Oh, also in the $4, we have this. And don't complain about this because someone sold it for $3 and another person sold it for $6, who I know. So $4 is like sort of in the middle. So these are both $4. Yeah. And then we go from $4 to $5. And this is something rare. $5. And this is a rare egg. That's why it's $5. Super squishy, as you can tell. And on the back. So this is what it looks like. I'll show you again. So yeah. So that's $5. And then we go from $5 to $6. And this is from STRAPYA World. So that's why it's $6. So it's this donut, and it's it says the Bear School, and it has not been opened yet, but it's like this is like open at the top, but yeah, and I think this has come off, yeah. So this is $6, and then we have the $7. So first, we have this. Oh, by the way, none of this stuff is for trade, so please don't ask. We have this My Melody bun. Really squishy. We have this Hello Kitty head bun. donuts are really squishy, as you can tell. But we have this Hello Kitty in an alpaca costume. Really squishy again. And then we have these two donuts. So just put this back. Okay, so first we have this this donut with the vanilla powder, and it's the Hello Kitty donut from STRAPYA, and it has this little I love KT tag. And then we also have this other donut, and I took this out, and it smells like cherries. Really good. Super squishy. So this is all $7 for each, not for like all the. And then we have $8. So first, so the $8 is all Hello Kitty and fruit from STRAPYA or the rare or something. So first we have this Hello Kitty in a melon. Really squishy. So we have that. Okay. And then we have this Hello Kitty in a strawberry. You can see how squishy that is. I know. It's like that. So these are both $8. And then these are $9. And I know this is a little bit much, but these are really expensive. So, $9. So first we have this panini, I think, or it's like a sandwich or something. Hold on. It says Uncle Nick's Bakery. And this is like really realistic. It has lettuce, tomato, and mozzarella. Sorry about the background noise, by the way. It's really squishy. But it's a little bit like ripping. So yeah. So we have that. And then also we have this BREADOU macaroon. Really squishy. And I think I'm going to get some more of these from PuppyPod24 as soon as she buys them, because I think she's getting a supply package. So, yeah. It's not like that, like squishy, but it is from BREADOU, and it was really expensive. So these are both $9. And then lastly, we have the $14 one. And there's only one. It's BREADOU, the donut. And I know that's really expensive, but it is really super squishy. And it's BREADOU. Yeah, so it came in this. And I can put it back. I'm just taking it out to show you how squishy it is. So it's this this design on. So I didn't do the freezer trick or anything. This is just plain BREADOU. So yeah, that's why it's really expensive. Because BREADOU is very expensive. So super squishy. Yeah. So I'm just gonna show you guys everything really quickly again. And please don't ask me to trade, because I'm not trading for any of these unless I ask you. So yeah, so first this is $14. These two are $8. Oh sorry, these two are $9. I kinda skipped around. This is $6. These are $7. This, 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 and this. This is $5. This is $4. Oh, by the way, this is thin cake. And then this is $2. And lastly, we have the $1. And this. So that's everything. I hope you guys buy. The prices will be in the description bar also. The rules are in some of my other videos. So yeah, that's everything. I hope you guys purchased, and I will include a lot of extras. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!